Good morning. Sharing real life corporate stories with the world. In this story, I am going to share one very good thing happened with me. Normally, we hear always no harm in trying. Okay, there is no harm in trying. I will tell you the story. One day, my cook came to me. He told, "Sir, yesterday with heavy rain and the thunderbolt, my house roof has gone out. No, I need to repair it, otherwise I cannot sleep. I need a salary advance." I told, "Okay, no problem. You come with application, I will sanction it." Company normally allows for the local employees, if anything happens like natural calamities, any death in the family, company helps and gives in the form of advance. So in the afternoon when I went for the lunch, he came with the letter he gave to me. "Sir, this is my request. Please approve my loan, my salary loan." When I read that letter, I got shocked. It's really shock. He is asking for a $9,000 loan. His salary is $90 per month. Means he is asking 100 months salary as a salary advance. Then I asked him how much this is, 900 or 9,000? He said 9,000, sir. Since you are giving the loan, I want to construct a new house. He is already 55, 56 years. He will retire in 4 years. Still he want 100 months salary. Okay. See how he tried. He tried. There is no harm in trying. Okay. There is no harm in trying. He tried and he gave the letter. It's up to me to sanction, not to sanction. I sanctioned him 3 months salary to be deducted in 6 months to build his house roof. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please share, comment.